Nice and slow right here. We're gonna finish it off with half a round of Tabata. So it's gonna be 2 minutes of work, okay? 2 minutes. All right, right here, take it side to side. Work your obliques. Take it on one side, then the other, again, slow. Hey Study Fam, I'm your trainer Dana. Today we've got a 15-minute rowing workout, so let's get started. Go ahead and sit on that rower. You're gonna strap your feet in. I want you to make sure that strap is nice and tight right across the top of your foot. And we're gonna grab that handle, get started, just warming up here. So 15 minutes today. I'm gonna explain kind of what we're gonna do for our workout as we're warming up here. So we are gonna do what's called Tabata. So it's 20 seconds of work, meaning we will increase our stroke rate, and then we've got a 10-second recovery. I don't care if you come to a complete stop during that 10-second recovery. The whole point is to really get your heart rate down, your breathing down, and then we jump right back into that 20 seconds. So each round is a total of 4 minutes. So a total of 8 working sets. All right, so right here, we're pulling back. I always like to remind you at the beginning of a rowing workout, your form, your technique, okay? So on a rower, as you come back, it's legs, core, upper body, then coming forward, upper body, core, legs, all right? So that's your rhythm, that's your motion. I also like to remind you that it is 60% legs. That's where most of the effort comes, the work comes from, 20% core, 20% upper body, all right? Let's pick up that pace just a little bit here. I want you to start getting your breathing down. That heart rate is increasing, and we're just getting in the zone here. So 15 minutes on this rower, we're gonna do the most that we can, get the most out of this. You made the effort to get here, to get on this rower today. This is where we make it count, right? So we do this together, we come together, push all the way through. We got about 15 seconds until we head right into our first round of Tabata. Again, 20 seconds of work, 10-second recovery. All right, in 3, 2, let's go. First working set, 20 seconds here. You're picking up that pace, that increase, that stroke rate increases. That's it, final few seconds, we got 5 seconds. 3, 2, and here's your rest. Slow it down, you can either slow down that rowing or complete stop here. All right, we get right into it. In 3, 2, let's go. Number 2 here. Five seconds. And rest, good. 2 down, we've got 6 to go. Big deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. All right, number 3, 20 seconds. Amazing, make sure you're squeezing those shoulder blades. We're right here at the top, elbows are high. You don't wanna drop them low here, you want them nice and high. Here's your rest. Good, rest, perfect. All right, going into our next one in 3, 2, hit it. Here we go. We got 10 seconds. And rest. Amazing, you guys. You're halfway down. 4 down, 4 to go. Woo. All right, getting ready for this next one in 3, 2, let's go. So doing this type of training is one of the most effective ways to work out. So just know that you are doing something amazing for yourself, your body, right now. And rest, good. Ooh, we got 3 more, so 60 seconds of work. Let's do it. 3, 2, go. Last 3. and rest. Good. All right, you guys, 2 more. Just 2. Again, that deep breath to slow down the heart rate. All right, 2 more. Ten seconds. And rest. So good. All right, we have 1 more to go. 20 seconds of work, and then you get a nice recovery. Finish strong. Final 10 seconds. And rest. So good. All right, you should be very breathless at this point. So I want you to slow everything down. Here's our recovery, okay? Right here, just nice and slow. So we're gonna prepare ourselves to go into that again, okay? Hold it right here at the top. Now let's stretch. Let's roll up. So I want you to roll your spine up, stretch it forward. Stack your spine right on top of each other to the top. Let's do a couple more. Take it forward. Stack it up, 1 more. Take it forward. Stack it up. Roll your shoulders. All right, go back into that row. That's it. All right, getting ready for round 2. So again, nice and slow here. Whatever you do on this next round, I want you to push just a little bit harder. Again, it's 4 minutes, 8 working sets of those 20 seconds. It's up to you what you want to do with that 10-second recovery. We've got 1 minute of this recovery here, okay? I want you to sit up tall. Let's go. Just squeeze the shoulder blades together. That's it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, just the legs here. Push back. Push back. So you're gonna keep those arms extended. Push back, good. We got 4, we got 3, here's 2, and here's 1. All right, go into that full row. We're gonna get this party started here. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. We're going in 20 seconds. So just get your head into it, get into that zone, getting ready to work. Whatever you need to do to get to that next level, it's gonna happen right here in 3, 2, 20 seconds. Let's do it. Here's your rest, good. 1 down. First one down, killing it. Whew. All right, you know that these go by really quickly. We've already done it, let's do it again, come on. Again, drive through the legs. I'm gonna keep reminding you of that this whole time. Rest. Yes, breathe. That's it. All right, 2 down. Getting into that rhythm. You know what to do. We should be warm now. We are really working now. Five seconds. Rest. Good, good. All right. Maybe make that stroke rate a little stronger, a little faster. rest. So if you have stroke rate on your console, you can obviously watch that and see it go up. If you don't, you're just gonna listen to your body. You're gonna feel it. You can feel your stroke rate go up by driving through the legs more. Rest, good, we got 3 more. That's 60 seconds of work, okay? Doing so good, don't quit, don't stop now. Go. Here's our rest, so good. All right, we got 2 more. That's it, 40 seconds of work. You guys, we're coming in on the end. Go. Make sure that core is engaged. What that means is suck your belly button to your spine. One more, 20 seconds. And we get a longer recovery than 10 seconds. Woo. Finish it off, 3, 2, let's go. Done. All right, just breathe for a minute. We're gonna go back into it, okay? Woo. We've got a 1-minute recovery. Nice and slow right here. We're gonna finish it off with half a round of Tabata. So it's gonna be 2 minutes of work, okay? 2 minutes. All right, right here, take it side to side. Work your obliques. Take it on one side, then the other, again, slow. We're recovering here. We want to be able to give our all 100% for our final 2 minutes of this workout, right? Just squeeze right here, yes. Lean it back, twist to the side. We're gonna go in 20 seconds. Finishing this workout off strong with a bang. That all out effort, right? All right, just take it back. Bringing that handlebar right underneath your chest. Take a quick break right here. We got 10 seconds. We're going into it. Ready? 2 minutes. 3, 2. Let's go. 20 seconds. Go. Here's your rest, perfect. All right, 3 to go, 60 seconds of work, and we're done. You gave your all for this 15 minutes. Next one, go. Halfway. Rest. Amazing. All right, let's finish strong. 2 more. Just 2. In 3, 2. Hit it, 20 seconds. Halfway. Rest. Woo, oh my gosh, all right, you guys. We got 1 more, 20 seconds to finish off. Everything you got, you're gonna empty the tank. 20 seconds, go. Ten seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, amazing job, you guys. You absolutely crushed that. I know that what we just did is not easy. Be proud. You did it. I'll see you guys next time.